It is now spring. This is year number 4 of my Thuja Green Giant evergreen trees. It's the first one. I think it's about 8 feet tall now. The second one died because the deer were rubbing themselves against it, so I have to cut it off. This is the third one, really healthy. Fourth one, not as tall, about 6 feet. Fifth one, oh, it's about 9 feet tall. Another one, really healthy. And this is the last one, this is the baby one. It almost died, but I think I revived it. So, try to have a hedge right here, a line, boundary line. Let's look at it from a different angle. I'm at the bottom of the slope. Overall, I'm really happy with them. When I bought them, they were about like, as tall as my knees. So about like 2 feet tall. And unfortunately, one of them died. Not because they were not growing, because the deer were rubbing themselves against the trees. I think in the winter time. That's why I have these stick out to prevent the deer from damaging and killing the trees. So this is it.